Uh-oh, I didn't see the inside. The inside, that might be a problem. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a Coach unboxing. It's another pair of shoes. Yes, I'm hoping that these will come out good as far in the sense of that they'll fit me and they'll be comfortable. These are something that I can return if need be. So I need to look at them fast, and I won't feel bad if I have to return them because I discussed it with the essay from the Houston Galleria. Nene, he reached out to me that they were having a sale and a pre-Mother's Day sale if there was anything I wanted. Everything that I wanted was not on sale, of course. And then by the time, I'm not sure what happened, by the time I was able to look at it and decide, everything, was gone. Oh, looky! Oh, it's in pink ribbon. Oh my goodness, look at that, it's in pink ribbon. They did pink ribbon for the Mother's Day. That is so cute. That is just so cute. I love it, I love it. Okay, let's see. So it's a pair of shoes. It's a pair of shoes. They were having a good sale, and I don't know how to say. It's the Camellia leather Espadrilles in black. And I bought them for our upcoming trip to Chicago. God willing, everything goes okay, and I'm feeling well enough. And it's to go see Caleb and the Discord family, and I'm just so excited about it. I decided that I'm going to take only black shoes because everybody said it's going to be cold. It's going to be cold when we get to Chicago, and they said you're from Texas and you're used to the heat. I'm taking this pair and 2 pairs of Crocs, kind of a Mary Jane slide shoe, and a closed toe Croc. So in case it rains, then I'm safe with that. And here's how they look when it comes. Oh, look, they packaged it very well. Yeah, so nobody else's foot has been in here. I went with the 10. The reason I was like okay with returning them is because I had told them, I said, well, the only one that I was looking for was for something like this for my upcoming trip, but I've never tried them on before, so I don't know if they'll fit me or not. And he said you can take them back to any Coach store if you want, he says, or you can send them back. Oh my goodness, look at that. That sea is so pretty. Yeah, the pictures don't do it justice. It's beautiful. The leather is really soft, really soft. So I know this may not be too fallish for some people, but I think I can rock it and I can get away with it. And Dee Dee, I break fashion rules all the time. You know why? Because I don't know what they are. I don't know what the fashion rules are. So I'm constantly breaking them. Uh-oh. I didn't see the inside. The inside, that might be a problem. The inside is like the raffia out there. It does have this leather patch. And did I see that in here? I guess they showed it in here, but I guess I didn't see where. Yeah, because there's in the description, it doesn't really say that. So I don't know how that's gonna be, how that'll feel. I'll probably have to wear socks. Well, really, actually, everybody has suggested that we wear socks, and when I travel anyway, I always travel with my compression socks, so I'll have those on. So I went with the 10. I'll try them on here with you. Let's see. I'll do it like I did and I need to pull those out. Ooh, went in really easy. Went in really easy, but ooh, they feel a little hard. This is when it's hard when you're shopping and you haven't shopped before. They slide off pretty easy, but if I got a 9.5, then the 9.5 would be I think too small. And these are not the wide. I want to make sure they didn't send me the wide, because I don't get wide. I get the regular 10B. So, yeah. So I guess that's just the regular size. They actually were comfy. They were comfy as far as when you slide them in and everything. And I guess with the sock, this will be okay, but they felt a little... They have no cushion. It's like you're walking on the ground. I will have to think on that. These might be going back, unfortunately. Crud. It was a good deal. They're regularly $165, and I got them for $123.75 is what the discount coach is having right now. It's a 25% off. It's a bummer. Gosh, I was really hoping that these were gonna be it, but I'll give you a look around. Here's the front, side, the back. It's a beautiful shoe. The leather is soft to touch. The inside, it has a little bit of teeny tiny bit of a cushion in the heel, but yeah, it feels like, yeah, there's no cushion. It's you know, whatever I guess this material is on the inside. Shame. I will let you know on editing if I kept them or if I sent them back. So when I do editing, y'all figure out what I decided to do with them. Right now it feels like they're going back, unfortunately. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you very much. Sometimes it's a fail, very, very few and far between, but sometimes it's a fail, and right now it's a fail if I change my mind. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye.